It's a compounding effect. The more tombstones you can accumulate, the more leverage you have to command better opportunities and a higher pay.
Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to the channel where we transform your money worries into money-making wonders. Today, we're with Accountant Nischa and exploring the world of 5 personal investments that have the potential to double your income. Yes, you heard that correctly. We'll go over some step-by-step investments you can personally make. At the end of this video, we'll bring in the key to making it a reality. So let's get into it. First things first, let's get organized. I've got my trusty planner here because when it comes to making money, having a well-thought-out plan is half the battle won. So investment number 1 starts by setting up a weekly plan. Here's how you can set up a comprehensive weekly plan to kickstart your income doubling journey. 1. Prioritize your goals. Begin by writing down what you aim to achieve this week. It could be anything from researching a promising new stock, setting up a high-yield savings account, or immersing yourself in a highly recommended finance book. 2. Action steps. Break these overarching goals into smaller, manageable steps. For instance, if your goal is to research stocks, your steps might include 1. Compiling a list of potential stocks based on market trends. 2. Conducting in-depth research on their past performance and future prospects. 3. Watching a few insightful YouTube videos on stock market basics to bolster your understanding. 3. Visualize it. Invest in a whiteboard or a dedicated notebook and jot down your weekly plan in a visually appealing manner. Trust me, making it visual and tangible not only brings accountability, but also gives you the necessary push to get things done.
I've just found that having a whiteboard has really helped me develop an execution mindset.
When you lay out your tasks in this manner, it brings everything into sharp focus and makes the whole process seem much more doable. At the end of each week, take some time to review your progress. Did you manage to hit your goals? What strategies worked well and what didn't? This reflection makes your plan not only achievable, but also helps you adjust and improve for the following week. Now, let's delve into investment number 2 and go over the importance of working effectively. Take a good look at your environment. What are your main distractions? For instance, background noise can be a significant drain on your cognitive resources and your ability to focus.
Have you ever found yourself turning off the radio when you're lost, or finding it really hard to concentrate or read something when someone around you or next to you is talking really loudly?
Consider investing in a good pair of noise-canceling headphones to help you get into that deep, focused zone. Also, find a pre-performance routine that works for you. It could be a short workout, a few minutes of meditation, or popping those noise-canceling headphones in. Whatever it may be, the goal is to prepare yourself to enter that full focus zone where you can work most effectively. Next up, let's talk about the importance of continuously increasing your skills. You guessed it, investment number 3. Everyone has the potential to improve something every single day. By stacking your existing skills with new ones, you create a unique skill set that significantly raises your earning potential. Regularly practice your skills and seek feedback from peers. This can help you refine and enhance your abilities. Also, consider taking additional classes to learn something new and build onto the skills you already have. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and tackle challenges that seem daunting. Compounding your skills is where the real magic happens. When you combine different skills, especially those from seemingly unrelated fields, you create a powerful synergy that can set you apart in any industry. For example, a marketer who also understands data analytics and coding can create more effective and innovative campaigns. This compounding effect not only makes you more versatile, but also more valuable in the job market. By continuously learning and integrating new skills, you're not just adding to your knowledge base, you're multiplying your potential and setting yourself up for exponential growth.
Skill stacking is about drawing upon everything you've learned to make yourself a unique solution today. This doesn't diminish the importance of specialist knowledge, but the more skills you can pair and the more unique those pairings are, the higher your earning potential.
Keep your curiosity alive. Always be on the lookout for new knowledge. This could mean taking an online course, attending a workshop, or simply watching a tutorial on YouTube. Each new skill you acquire can open doors to opportunities you might never have considered before. Remember, the journey of learning is ongoing, and every small step forward counts. Now we're on to optimizing your workspace. Investment number 4. Productivity is a crucial factor in doubling your income. Consider investing in a larger monitor, or even getting a second monitor. The benefits of having an expanded screen real estate are immense. With a larger monitor, you can see more information at once, reducing the need to constantly switch between tabs or windows. This can save you significant time and reduce the cognitive load associated with remembering what was on a previous screen. A second monitor takes this a step further by allowing you to have multiple applications open and visible simultaneously. For example, you can have a document open on one screen while referencing data or research on another, streamlining your workflow and enhancing multitasking capabilities. Cognitive skills are better when we can view related content side by side. When you can see all relevant information without interruption, it becomes easier to draw connections, compare data, and make informed decisions quickly. This setup is particularly beneficial for tasks that require heavy analysis or creative work, such as coding, graphic design, or financial planning. The ability to view related content side by side can reduce errors, increase accuracy, and foster a more productive working environment. By minimizing the constant back and forth between different pieces of information, you not only improve your efficiency, but also enhance your overall cognitive performance, leading to better outcomes in your work. Also, declutter and clean your workspace regularly. A tidy space often leads to a tidy mind, which can greatly enhance your productivity. Lastly, investment number 5. It's time to build your strong personal brand. Let's discuss the concept of your digital tombstone. No, I'm not talking about the end of your life. I'm referring to your online presence. Building a strong personal brand is essential. Share your accomplishments and skills online to increase your visibility and attract better opportunities. Your digital tombstone is a representation of how you are perceived online, encompassing your social media profiles, professional networks, and any content you share. By carefully curating this presence, you can control the narrative about who you are and what you stand for. This involves regularly updating your LinkedIn profile, contributing to industry-related discussions on Twitter, and sharing insights and achievements on platforms like Medium or your personal blog. Building a personal brand also means showcasing your expertise and thought leadership. Write articles, create videos, or start a podcast to share your knowledge and experiences. Engage with others in your field by commenting on their posts, participating in webinars, and attending virtual or in-person networking events. This not only helps you stay informed about the latest trends and developments, but also positions you as an active and respected member of your professional community. Additionally, don't shy away from sharing your personal journey and the values that drive you. Authenticity is a key component of a strong personal brand. People are drawn to genuine stories and personalities, so let your true self shine through in your online interactions. By consistently putting effort into building and maintaining your personal brand, you create a powerful tool that can open doors to new career opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations, ultimately helping you achieve your professional goals.
So I've started accumulating more of these digital tombstones. So I've been featured in publications, I do corporate talks, I have my professional qualifications. I always mention these small tombstones that I'm adding to my credentials list, which have allowed me to charge more and more or higher rates for doing the same thing that I did for far less a few years ago.
Even small efforts can compound and significantly add to your overall value. So, as promised, we're going to bring out the key to making all of this a reality. If you're truly interested in taking the steps to double your income, your key is here with the tried and proven Internet Millionaire course developed by Adil Chowdhury. This program is a detailed home study program that offers step-by-step guidance on starting and operating a lucrative digital enterprise and designed to be beginner-friendly, offering easy-to-follow video modules that guide users through the entire process of setting up a digital business. With no prior experience required, users can access the program's members area after purchase, providing them with instant access to the complete course. Now, to bring your dreams into reality, learn to make more money and manage your time and resources effectively by following the step-by-step guide in the Internet Millionaire courses. You'll find the link in the description below. With a solid plan, the right mindset, and a commitment to continuous learning, you'll be well on your way to financial success. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tips, and don't forget to comment below on how you're planning to double your income. Until next time, take care and have fun on your road to wealth.